If you're a carrier or owner-operator, whether English or Russian speaker, and passionate about the trucking industry, then you, my friend, are on the right channel. My name is Brian, and for the past 5 years, I've been working as an account manager in the trucking industry, meaning that I was helping carriers such as you, dealing with numerous problems with brokers, with factoring, with insurances, mostly with broker-related loads issues, setup issues, and sometimes payment recovery issues. At one point it went to the lawsuit even, which we successfully won. So on my channel, I will be posting real trucking cases, situations, and how to solve them, step-by-step guide on how to start your own MC from scratch, even a guidance of unit profitability analysis. Also, if you're looking to get dispatch and safety 24/7, we've got you covered. Dispatch meaning we can book reefers, vans, Amazon power only, open decks, and safety meaning that we're going to take care of compliance, hours of services, logbook, anything related to the FMCSA compliance basically. So that's practically it. I also forgot to mention that if you are an owner-op and you're looking to start your own MC from scratch, then I got you covered. We provide full guidance, step-by-step on what you need to do in order to start basically from zero, yeah? And getting to the stage where you need the setups, where you have 3, 6, 9 months and you're good to go to book loads. So there you have it. If you're looking for real trucking cases and guidance, then subscribe to my channel for these type of videos. And if you're looking for dispatch or safety 24/7 or how to start your MC from zero, then reach me out at any time.